Two popular hosts, one big question: which one really delivers for your website, DreamHost or Namecheap? On the left, DreamHost, reliable hosting with robust performance. On the right, Namecheap, affordable domains and budget hosting. Let's skip the sales pitches and get straight to what matters. Each category gets points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who wins in 2025. The result might just surprise you. Okay, let me lay it all out. Here's the mind map of what we're comparing today: price, performance and uptime, security, customer support, money-back guarantee, features and flexibility, and finally, geographic options. That's the whole roadmap, so you'll know exactly what to look out for as we go through each category. So let's kick off with price, because let's be real, who doesn't care about saving a buck? DreamHost on one hand gives you pretty competitive shared hosting, and oh, you get a free domain if you go yearly. Sounds sweet, right? But their starting price? It's not the lowest out there. You might feel it's a tad higher compared to some. Now Namecheap, the name kinda gives it away. They're literally one of the cheapest options you'll find, like seriously, shared hosting at just $1.58 per month. Plus, their domain registration, super budget-friendly. But here's the thing, sometimes with ultra-low prices you might lose out on a few features, especially on those entry plans. Overall, if you're keen on saving the most, Namecheap's got this round. Now let's talk performance and uptime, and this is where things get really interesting. DreamHost? Honestly, their uptime record is almost flawless, like above 99.99%, and their average server response, around 231 milliseconds. Yep, that's quick. The only catch here, all their servers are chilling in the US. Flip over to Namecheap. They give you a choice: data centers in the US or UK, which is handy if you want that option. Their page load time is decent, averaging about 710 ms, and this is a big but, their uptime is a bit shakier, around 99.82%. There've been a few recent hiccups and outages, and response times creep up over a second on average. So if you want top-notch speed and reliability, DreamHost definitely takes this one. Let's get a little nerdy. Security. DreamHost packs in daily automated backups, free SSL, and domain privacy. Pretty solid, right? But note, not every plan comes with free malware scanning by default. Meanwhile, Namecheap does hand you SSL certificates and free WHOIS privacy, which, let's be real, is nice for the price. Their baseline security is decent, but you don't get automatic daily backups, and they're missing things like a built-in web application firewall. For peace of mind, DreamHost feels more robust here. Wait, did you know DreamHost's money-back guarantee is a whopping 97 days? That's literally triple what you usually get in hosting. Imagine having 3 months to test drive your site risk-free. Pretty wild, right? Alright, support, because no one wants to yell into the void when stuff breaks. DreamHost's got 24/7 live chat and email, and honestly their knowledge base is super detailed. Their ticketing system, pretty legendary. Small asterisk though, no phone support round the clock. So if you're all about dialing in at 3 a.m, bummer. Namecheap responds fast, especially with live chat and tickets, and they've got a huge resource library. And here's the catch, their live chat isn't truly 24/7. So depending on where you live, you might bump into some waiting time. For overall support, DreamHost edges it out. Next up, money-back guarantee, and here's something cool: DreamHost doesn't just do the average 30 days. Nope. Try 97 days, that's almost unheard of. Basically, you've got 3 whole months to make up your mind. Namecheap, solid but more standard with 30 days. So if you like testing things out forever before deciding, DreamHost absolutely runs away with it here. Features and flexibility time. DreamHost is really generous on a lot of plans: unlimited bandwidth, unlimited storage, one-click WordPress install, and a free domain if you go yearly. Only thing is, you won't find cPanel. Their custom dashboard might take a second to get used to. Namecheap, on the other hand, gives you a super easy cPanel and free migrations for shared hosting. Downside: their entry-level plans don't have as many unlimited perks. So if you need more muscle for your websites, DreamHost feels like the safer bet. Now about geographic options. Where's your server actually located? DreamHost is, well, pretty American. All servers stay in the US, so no global picks. Namecheap ups the game here with not just US but UK servers available, although yeah, extra cost if you want Europe. Not a huge deal for most, but if targeting a global audience, Namecheap gives you more choices, so they win this category. Looking at the full spectrum, price, uptime, security, support, money-back guarantee, features, and location, you can really see where each provider shines or lags. DreamHost comes out strong on performance and reliability, while Namecheap's big highlight is affordability and choice of server location. So here's what I think. If you absolutely need reliability, speed, solid security, and time to really test your hosting, especially for serious or business sites, DreamHost is probably your best bet. But if you're just starting out looking for insane value or mainly buying domains, Namecheap will probably save you some serious cash. They do what they do really well for the price. Both are solid, but pick the one that matches what you actually need. If this comparison helped you out, let me know. And hey, if you want more web hosting scoops and tips, don't forget to bookmark this page for later.